it's an older cemetery. It looks like it's got a bunch of interesting monuments and whatnot, and, you know, crypts and mausoleums. So we're gonna go check this out and see if it's as cool as I have been hearing. Let's get on with it. Wow, this place is insane. From what I was reading about it, this place was founded in 1851. So this is going back some time. This is one of the oldest ones I've seen thus far as timelines, the way things look here. This one is an awesome find. I just kind of stumbled upon it in my Google searches.